yeah, welcome back to my vlog, my channel, and yeah, I am here again. And today's vlog, guys, is this is my first day here in Japan actually, and supposed to be magbabiking nga kami ngayon. But since umaambon, I don't know yet kung magbabiking kami. So, we'll see kung anong decision ng boyfriend ko. Today's vlog is itutour ko kayo guys sa hotel namin dito. Itong pinagstayan namin. But, quiet lang muna tayo pagdating ko sa baba kasi baka natutulog pa si Boyfie. And, ayaw pa naman na nagising kasi yung wake up time niya is around 10. It's already 10 here in Japan while 9 in Philippines. Yeah. Tingnan nyo to guys. Social to. Charot. Umiilaw pag may dadaan. Look. I told you. Almost 11 na guys. And natutulog pa si Boyfie. We talked about this last night that I will take a vlog this morning about the hotel that we're going to stay. Yeah, that's the hotel. So itutour ko kayo inside that hotel. Hindi naman siya matatawag na hotel kasi parang bahay lang naman siya guys. Shucks guys, umuulan. Walang biking today. Oh my gulay. So yeah, I'll show you around inside. So like what I said, this is the entrance of the hotel. Okay, pasok mga suki. After that, and this door is closed. The other door, malaki siya guys. Tingnan nyo sa taas. Need to be careful. Wow. And this is the parang shingle. Pero, yeah. And let's go inside. Ay, mali. Yeah, hindi pa kumigising sa boyfriend. Tingnan niyo naman ang kalat. Lawan natin. Okay. So yeah. This is the inside. The dining area. The living room area. Yun. Laki siya guys. Bakit? Okay. So, ang kalat. I-organize ko yan mamaya. This is the other door or the bedroom. And this is the other bedroom. Kaso close siya. Hindi restricted. Hindi siya pwede buksan. And this area or this door is going to the bathroom. Yeah. This is the bathroom. Oh, tingnan niyo guys. Social lahat. So, yan. paliguan nila. Washing machine kung kasakali maglalaba. And then dito. And mas social guys is yung CR nila kasi tingnan nyo, I mean, yung CR ng Japan. I'll show you. Off natin. Tingnan nyo. Pagbukas pa lang, oops, kailangan mo natin on. And, look. Ay, hindi siya nag-open. Baka lobat. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Tingnan nyo guys. Kailangan mag-set foot ka muna. Then, ano siya, by his own. Ganyan ka-social ang CR ng Japan. And then, dito, ito yung ano nila, kung bakit ka nag-set foot yan? Ito yung bali, something, then magpa-flush off, kung sakaling gamitin mo to, tapos ka na, off mo na lang, tapos. So, meron naman English translation guys kung paano gamitin. So, yeah. This is how it works here in Japan. And, yeah. Yan, mag-ano siya. Magpo-fold lang siya by his own. And this other door. What should I do? This door is for the garden area. Paano ba ito gamitin? Huh? Nakalock na to? Yeah. This door is for the garden area, guys. Yeah, this is for the garden area. Very restricted siya. And that door also restricted siya. So I'll see that. This door is going to the garden area. Yeah. This door is going to the garden area, guys. So let's see. Yep. So like what I said, yung garden, yung room na pinakita ko was that garden area. Yeah. Garden. This is the old house. And nag-renovate lang sila. So they make a new one. So that one is the new one, guys. So this is the garden. Ano ba? So this is the garden. Simple lang, but good. So neighboring area. Hello mga neighbors. Ohayo. Yeah. This is the garden, guys. So from where we oh my god, umaambon. So yeah. Pasok tayo kasi umaambon na siya, guys. And walang biking today kasi nga umaambon. Tsaka hindi pa gumigising si Wifey. So yeah, this is the living room area. Diba? Laki yung TV na. The sunset. And some for the kitchen. So messy. But organize yan later. Pasok tayo for the second floor area, guys. Second floor area. May pailaw. But it didn't. Yeah. So from the other area. Pasok tayo sa second area. Laki ng bahay na to, guys. Pwede ito tirahan ng ano. So, this door is restricted. What's inside of this? Hindi ko alam. So, this area is... So, yung area. This door is the garage. So, this is the garage. Oh my God. Walang ilaw. Walang ilaw tong garage nila. So, hindi nyo makikita. So, yeah. Proceed tayo to the second floor. Okay. Pinapailawan i-off natin. Tsaka, mag-iilaw din naman siya kung nakarating tayo dito sa center. Just like this, guys. So, this is another restricted room. Yeah. And this is the second. Ito yung room ko. Dito ako natulog kagabi. I have my own TV, fan, aircon. Yeah. Ako lang mag-isa natulog dito kagabi, guys. And that is another door. And I don't know. Restricted and yan. And this window is in the outside. Makikitain natin yung nasa labas. But not really ano. And this is the closet. Walang laman. Yeah. I think that's all, guys. So, yun guys, nalibot nga natin yung hotel na pinagstayhan namin dito. And I hope you like it. Yeah, it's quite big hotel. Hotel yung tawag nila dito, pero para sa atin parang bahay lang naman. Which is, the hotel have 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 4 rooms. 2 rooms are restricted. Hindi yun pinasali kasi yun yung original na paghihigaan ng may-ari ng hotel nito. So yeah, I think that's end my vlog, guys. And sad to say, umuulan sa labas and walang biking today. So we're just going to stay in the hotel and maybe watching a movie. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog. I hope you enjoy watching this vlog here in Japan. I mean in Kyoto, Japan. And I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching, guys.